What are the advantages of the NIPOMAC part of KDE?
Well,
for the user?
For now, you have the possibility to find your files according to the meta information, so you get functionality just as you would get with Google Desktop or something like that, plus your manual annotations like tags or comments. Other things I presented before, like remembering where downloads came from, or linking persons to files, or linking projects to files, or to emails, and so on. There it's only it's still in the development stage. So far on the KDE 4.2 desktop, you mainly have the tagging and the rating, the comments, the metadata, and searching this information. In the future, there will hopefully be much more that other applications integrate and create new metadata that can be used to organize information on the desktop. For example, the downloads, or what else could there be? Pretty much everything. That Robert mentioned that I created a DVD and CD burning application, so I thought about integrating that into NIPOMAC and saying, so the system remembers when I burned which file to which DVD, for example. So if I back up some music files or something, then sorry, I can just select the files that haven't burned already. Or if I want to send pictures to a friend, then the system could automatically only select those pictures that I didn't send him already, or that show him or persons he knows, for example. This kind of information is what I want to expose. But it's still a long way to go.
You said that in a speech that the NIPOMAC project, which is funded by the European Union, will be continued under the Mandriva project.
Exactly. Mandriva has a follow-up project, which is a French research project named Scribo, and we will continue to work on the semantic desktop technology there. So I will, at least this year, be able to continue my work, and hopefully by the end of the year, the project or the NIPOMAC technology will have gained enough momentum so that the rest of the KDE community can pick it up and continue working on it.
You told me earlier today that this is one area where open source software can be sort of ahead of the commercial competition.
Exactly.
So far.
Yeah.
As according to you, Windows and OS X at this point does not have semantic technology at the file manager or the file level of the operating system.
You can, in Windows Vista, as far as I know, tag files, but this is strictly restricted to files. The advantage we have is that we use semantic web technology and thus can link pretty much everything with everything else. Of course, this technology has to be exposed more in KDE, and actually I would need more development resources, more developers to work on that, actually have an insight on the technology. But so far this is really an area where we could be ahead of the competition if we are fast enough, if we are not, if not Microsoft or Apple see what we're doing and then say, that's a good idea, we'll do that too. And
so you imagine they will pick up the competition and do something like this themselves?
At some point, in one form or the other, I'm sure, yeah. And since their resources are much bigger, I think we're on a time constraint here, and I hope that I will manage to get more open source developers interested.